Okay, welcome back guys. Welcome to my new channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the service reset in Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, in order to reset the service, you need to first put the need to on the ignition. Okay, I'm go. Now you can see here trip menu. So now you need to push the call button and the OK button both same time, around 3 seconds. So I'm going to do that. Okay, here you can see the screen. Alright, okay, okay, now you can see here assist plus. Okay, then press OK. Okay, now set turn on the ignition. I on the ignition. Okay, now you can see service data and full service. Then take full service, then go down, then confirm service. Okay, service carry out. Yes. Okay, confirm. Yeah, now you can see here full service completed. All set. Okay, that's how the service research doing Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Okay, I would like to invite you to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. Thank you. See you next video.